Hello guys, good day, welcome to my channel again. This is Modestus, the owner of Learner Series. So in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to make money on Getpaid Nigeria. This is a nice and wonderful site that came out newly and has since then there has been helping people, a lot of people, and me, I can tell you that I've earned over 20k on this website. So in this video I'm just going to show you guys how to make money, genuine money, not scam money or illegit money, so that you won't have any deductions while they are paying you your money. So let's first of all log in. This is my account. If you are new to the site or you haven't registered, if you want to register, you can drop a comment below, or you can also access the website Getpaid.ng and register. But it will be on my next video that I will teach you guys how to register. But I will advise you to find someone to register. You can drop your number below on the comment section so that I can register you. So now if you want to log in, you have already registered and you want to log into your account, just click on login. As you can see it here, when you click on login, just wait for it to log in. It will not take a few minutes to log in. I just like this website. Their reloader is very fast, it goes on very speedy. So once you have logged in, the next thing is, how do I make money from this website? And that has been what many people are asking me. So I just need to introduce video so that you learn it and you see it with your eye, whatever is happening there. Click on login to log into your account. I have already put in my destiny with Google managed password, so I don't have to put it again. So once you have logged in, you can see your account. My name is Okoye. You can see my earning balance. Don't mind it, it's very low for this week. You know, it's a weekly payment, so I withdrawn for the last week, so this one is for the new week. So these are all the things that in your dashboard. This place is your dashboard where you can change anything you want to change, where you can do anything you want to do. You can click on how to make money on Getpaid to know many things on how to make money, but I'm just showing a video part of it. So there are main 3 ways to make money on this website. Number 1 is sharing or sponsor post. Number 2 is reading of news, and number 3 is getting your referrals. Though referrals is 100% not compulsory on this website. You can get the referrals if you want, or you cannot get the referral, but I will advise you to look for referral because it helps to boost your money. That's the main stuff that is there. So if you want to read post and get money from it, what you have to do, how I used to do my own so that I won't get confused, that once I have logged into my account, I will just go to the top and click on home. You can see where home is located here. Once you click on home, everything will you direct to the page that you see the number of posts you have to read. And this website, they are not there to cheat somebody, and they don't want somebody to cheat them. I just wish they will upgrade later, but this one is nice and normal, so that whenever you earn your money, know that that money is not spam money. It's not like NNU newspaper, Wakanda instant cash, where you just read once and you get money from it. So what you have to do here is this post here. You can see the number of posts that's here. You can see the number of posts. So these posts here are the posts that you read and get money. Driver loses control of car, plunges to canal in Abia State. So let's count the post that is here. Driver loses control of car and plunges to canal in Abia State is 1. Yetunde Adriwe buys herself a new car as new month give 2. People who bash me for my joke on power supply are stupid 3. You can see 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now Deontay Wilder and Tyson Fury fight end in speed draw. That's the 16th post here. Once you have finished reading that 16th post and you must have given a reasonable comment, I just wish after watching this video, just check on my channel. You see the video of how to make money through commenting. Make sure you watch that video too, so that you know how your comments will look like, so that you get paid. So once you have reached the 16th post and you have read it, just go up there. You see where they wrote click to earn if you have completed 16 stories today. Do you understand? Once you click on this click to earn if you have completed 16 stories, I have not read any story for today. I just want to teach you guys this video before proceeding to go and make my money. So once you have read the 16 story, just click to earn, and you see all these things. They give you warnings. You earn 3 naira on each UE, and 15 naira if you click below. All these things, make sure you read the warnings. I have read it more than 10 times, so I'm not here to read it again. Then you click the display the road, click here to earn. Once you have clicked, the automatic 15 naira enter into your account. But I'm giving you a warning. I just told you to make sure you watch that video I just did, because if you don't watch it and you make mistake, or you didn't comment well, or didn't give reasonable comment, I'm sorry, the money won't be paid to you. I have met it several times when I joined newly. I'm not telling you like a person that joined over a month ago or 2 months, I think. So after you must read it finish, They will keep updating the site. You must remember the post that you stopped on. Like here, we stopped on Deontay Wilder and Tyson Fury ends in split door, and after that you can see only 2 stories. 16 plus 16 is what's called 33. So once you have read this 16, it remains only 16, so that you can click on this place they wrote click on click to end if you have completed 33 stories. Do you understand? After you have read the first 16, you wait. They did some uploads. You keep checking on the site. They will upload another 16. They used to upload more than 33 posts every day, so that if you missed some of the posts, because in this website you are not allowed to click on this older post and read any post there. They won't comment. They won't buy the post. And make sure any post you are reading, the date, check the date well. I made mistake of telling you guys that you should start from this driver loses control of car plus 2 canal, because that place is December 1. I'm sorry about that, but you should understand the part I'm going. Check the date. Today's day is December 2nd, so you need to start a post from December 2nd. That's people who bash on you on my video are the ones who are stupid. Do you understand? So you check the date, you make reasonable comments on the post, and that's everything. Then after reading your 16 posts, you go to click here to make earn money, and you click on that place and you earn your money. There is nothing hard there. As you can see, there is nothing hard. If you are conversant and following me, where you understand that nothing hard is there. Do you understand? So another thing that is a bit hard for people is how to share the sponsor post. I just did a video about that too, so you can check it on the link below, or check it on any of the on my channel. You see the link on how to watch the on where to see the video. So you see the place they wrote sponsor post to be shared on Facebook now. That's the second thing you do on this website to make money. Then the third thing you do is to make money through affiliate. Let me show you guys how to get your affiliate link, and in my next video I will also show you guys how to register somebody and get paid. Do you understand? So this video is only concerned about how to make money on this website, and everything this website is entailed. So this website is not a website that you come to shit there on them to make the money. I had so many people shutting me up telling me I need the trick, I need the trick. There is no trick, my brother. This is Nigeria. When you are privileged to make money from somebody, be happy and make a genuine money. That's the main thing. So when I tell people that I make up to 20k, they will be afraid and say, how do you make it? I didn't follow any system. I just did what they asked me to do, and I keep making my money. That's the main stuff. Be doing what they ask you to do. So when you click on my account, you'll be directed to your account again. On that place, you can click on affiliate area. When you click on affiliate area, you will be taken to anything concerning your affiliate, people you register, those that registered under you can see. This place they wrote your affiliate username is Okoye. Your referral URL, that referral URL is very important. You can copy it. Watch the video. You can see how when you highlighted everything, make sure it's only your referral URL that you copied. Then click on copy. You can see it at the top here, copy. When you click on it, you have already copied the stuff. This is the link that you'll be using to register people. Do you understand? Now, if you want to check, this is not like NNU or Getpaid, where if you register somebody, the money goes straight to your dashboard. You see the money, but the money will be writing on paid because they haven't paid it to your bank. So what you need to do, if you want to check your number of referrals, just click on referral, and you see the number of people there and how much you have earned. So I think this week I've already registered 4 people. I know it's low, but I will hope to register more people before Friday so that I can get my payment. So you can see 4 people that I registered are still writing on paid, and they will definitely pay me the money. So don't be afraid or thinking of how to get your referrals, though I will teach that one later. So in this video now, I hope that I must taught you guys the 3 main ways to make money from this website and everything that Getpaid is concerned about. So it now depends on you to make money. So if you are already registered, I want you to tell me which one are you going to start with first. Are you going to start with sharing on the sponsor post, or are you going to go and get your referrals and register them, or are you going to start with the reading of news and commenting? Just drop whatever you have to say in the comment section below, or if you are confusing about anything, make sure to alert me too on the comment section below. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.